Goedemorgen, good morning, hojambo, goedemorgen, ni hao. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana and pea salad. Because it has the word salad in it, does not necessarily mean it's automatically healthy, okay? Because it also has my favorite ingredient of all ingredients, condensed milk. Oh yeah, how can it be bad if it has condensed milk? So, to make the salad, you will need some peas. Because we're not going to cook them, I like to use baby peas, whether they are frozen or canned. There is a brand of peas that I usually use that is not baby peas, but they are always very soft and sweet. Unfortunately, the shops seem to have discontinued my favorite peas. You'll need some bananas, as I mentioned, condensed milk, mayonnaise, and optionally lemon. We'll only use the lemon juice to make sure the bananas don't go brown too quickly. So that is totally optional. Then you'll need a bowl to make the salad in, a knife to cut the banana, a spoon to mix. Usually I don't measure, but there is a 1 cup measuring cup because I'm trying to make this an official recipe and not just throw it in. Because I'm using frozen peas, a separate bowl to defrost the peas in, and then a colander to strain them once they've been defrosted. If you use a fresh lemon for the lemon juice, you might need a lemon squeezy thingy, whatever it is called. And of course, to defrost the frozen peas, some hot water. So the purpose of this is to add a side dish. It is especially nice with something like a curry where the bananas and condensed milk can add a bit of a cooling effect. And of course, if you have people in the house, maybe young children that don't necessarily want to eat their greens, there's no incentive like a bit of condensed milk to sweeten the deal. One of the advantages of this is, except for the bananas, everything else is something that you could have either in your store cupboard or in the freezer. And so if you quickly need to expand a meal, if there's unexpected guests and you need something else, or you're in a great hurry because maybe you were watching my YouTube videos instead of cooking, that's a bad thing, do your cooking in time. But then you can quickly whip up the salad and no harm done, right? I'll stop talking nonsense and let's get into how to make the salad. Since I'm using the frozen peas, my poor knife, we'll start by, I'm using 500 gram, I'm using the whole packet, and then add some hot water. We don't want to cook it, we just want to completely make sure it's defrosted. So I'm going to leave that off to one side to stand there for a while. While that is happening, grab the salad bowl. We're going to measure out about 1 cup of mayonnaise. Close enough. It's cooking, not baking. You don't need to be precise. So there is approximately 1 cup of mayonnaise. And to the 1 cup of mayonnaise, we add about 1/3 of a tin of condensed milk. Now the tin is 385 grams. So 1/3 of that would be like 130 grams. Give that a mix. Then peel and cut the bananas. Okay. These are a little bit greener than I would want them to be, but I really do not like overripe bananas, except when it is for smoothies or banana loaf. But for fresh eating, and the salad counts for fresh eating for me. I prefer them to be still slightly green. So I'm cutting them in approximately, what's that? Like 2 mil, but not all of them are that thin. That is like probably 5 mil, so somewhere between 2 and 5 mil. Slices. Oh, I don't think I've said. I'm planning to use approximately 6 bananas, but we'll see how it goes. I have never measured this before, and so measuring recipes so that other people know what I'm doing is a bit of a new thing for me. Okay, I'm sure you don't need to see me cut up all the bananas. Maybe I'll speed this up because it would be nice to know how many goes in here. Okay, so this is 6 bananas. Those can go in the compost. And now the peas will be defrosted, not warm, just defrosted. And so we can strain off all the water. You don't have to strain it until it's absolutely dry. Oh no. No, it's fine. I'm adding a little bit. I'm not even going to use the juicer. I think it's the right word. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Please note that when the lemon juice comes in contact with the condensed milk, it tends to harden the condensed milk. And so just that bit of lemon juice on the bananas to deactivate some of the enzymes so they don't go brown so quickly. When they're in the, don't want lemon pips in there. In the refrigerator, it will be cold, so the enzymes will be inactive in any way, or less active at least. The low pH of the acidity of the lemon will also help with that. Okay, now, the peas are strained enough, so we add the peas, all of them. Don't ruin my card. Mix it through. And there you have it. It looks fresh and green. The mayonnaise and condensed milk, I know, makes it yummy. Working in front of the camera makes me messy. Okay, it's really hard to try to mix softly so the spoon doesn't ka-cling, ka-cling, ka-cling. So I'm just going to mix and then I'll get the sound back. And there you have it. You can stick that in the freezer if you're still putting together the rest of dinner. And then when everything else is done, your salad is ready, fresh and green and very yummy. And so, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have fun crafting, even in the kitchen.